Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair half wig for you guys. So this wig does not have an attached headband. It is just a half wig that is a human hair wig. And today's video is brought to you by Julia Hair. So shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So I have a shorty for you guys. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know I'm not like a huge fan of short wigs, but a lot of you are, and the last short wig that I featured on my channel got a lot of views, and that was like 2 months ago. So I wanted to feature another option for you guys because you guys know I like the 24 inches and stuff like that, but I do realize that there's people who like short wigs. So you guys saw the unboxing of this wig, and I have washed it and let it air dry for several days, and this is what the curls and everything look like. Now this video probably won't be super long because it is a short wig, and I'm probably gonna do a lot of like, you know, a ton of styling with it. I'm probably gonna keep it pretty much all down. Yeah, so I'm gonna read the specs for you guys real quick. So this is their curly wig in 14 inches. And I do have a coupon code to save $10 off. It'll be down in the description box. So this wig starts off at 14 inches and I have 14 inches. So this wig is $82.18. So it is super affordable for a human hair wig. And it goes all the way up to 26 inches. It's awesome. That's great. We are going to go ahead and put her on. Let me see how she feels on my head so I can let you guys know the cap size, how it feels on my head. I have already laid my edges with the Siesta Bomb Edge Control. It will be linked in my Amazon storefront, as well as most of the other wig supply essentials that I use on my channel. Check out my wig supply essentials video if you want to hear me talk about this stuff. And then go on to my Amazon storefront where I keep all of my wig essentials and stuff there. You don't have to use the comb, but I'm using it today. And this is 14 inches. And I'm 6 feet tall, and I like to tell you guys that because the way it falls on me is gonna be different than what it falls like on somebody who is like 5'2" or something like that. So it's fitting my head like a small to medium cap. And this is what it looks like just straight out the pack. And I'm gonna go ahead and start fluffing her out. The curl pattern is very, very pretty. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of my Cantu comeback curl. Just a little bit. But I don't want to wet it down too much because I do like the fluffed out look. Looks more lived in. Wow, this is pretty. And this is not like a kinky curl. This is like a true curly wig that's like probably like in the 2 hair type range. But for this to be a wig that's not kinky curly, it has a beautiful natural luster to it. Okay, so this is what this wig looks like right now after I fluffed it out a bit more. This is what it looks like in all directions. No headband attached. And like I said in some of my other recent videos, headband wigs versus half wig. Somebody asked me what's the difference. There is a difference. A half wig is half of a wig, no headband attached, and a headband wig has a attached headband. So there's a difference, and there's a reason to get each one. So I personally prefer headband wigs because on a daily basis I just want to plop a wig on. I don't want to have to blend my hair and go. But some people want more versatility, so they might want to get a half wig like this, and they might want to blend their hair with it and make it look super natural. So I personally will not blend my hair with this because the way my hair is set up, I have 4B, 4C hair, and I don't think putting in taking out my hair with it is gonna blend the way it would blend for somebody who actually has this texture. Now my edges look good with it, but I'm not gonna take my hair out. I'm just gonna wear it with a headband like I would with a headband wig. But that's up to you to decide which is gonna be better for you, a half wig or a headband wig. I'm just here to show you guys the many options that you have. Definitely check out my headband wig playlist. It's growing and growing by the week. Yeah, so I wanted to try it on with this beautiful headband that I picked up from Still Looking Good's website. It is handmade. It has this beautiful raised texture on there, and it's in this like cinnamon color. Definitely fall vibes here. So you guys go and support her if you can. If you don't know who Still Looking Good is, she reviews wigs for the mature woman. She's really supportive as well. So I'm gonna see how this fits on my head with this wig. So if you didn't want to show your hairline because you suffer from hair loss, and I say this in most of my videos because all kinds of people with different conditions and stuff watch my channel, you can cover your entire hairline and wear it like this, but I like to slide mine back to show my edges. And that's a cute look. Super cute look, and I love the color of this headband. So pretty. It's kind of like almost pumpkin spice. Guys, so I am back and I have my hoops on because I like to, with curly big hair, I like to wear hoops. I like to wear hoops all the time, but especially with like curly hair. So I think this is a great price. Obviously $82. It's under $100 for a human hair wig. Like I said, I personally prefer headband wigs over half wigs unless it's my hair texture and I can blend it. But I'm wearing this just like a headband wig, but you can blend your hair, and half wigs offer more versatility if you get a texture that is your hair. So great price, and this is a very everyday length. I wanted to bring you guys something shorter again. It's not that much to say about it. I don't have, out of the pack when I was unboxing this wig, I did notice shedding before I washed it. Like when I was just shaking the wig, I did have some shedding, and that was a little bit off-putting. But during the washing process, I didn't have that much shedding. So I guess it all came out when I was unboxing the wig. I shook out a lot of the shedding, but that is something to note. This is just another good option for you guys, for somebody who is looking for something that is short and curly. You guys know I prefer longer wigs, but I wanted to give you guys some variety on my channel with the lengths and the prices. So this is available if you are interested. Shout out to Julia Hair for sending me this wig and sponsoring today's video. And shout out to you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you are new here, please consider subscribing before you leave and turn on your notifications. We are on the road to 150K before the end of 2020. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Take a look around, watch my headband wig playlist. There's tons of great information on there. Yeah, binge watch my whole channel. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.